Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. Just a quick reminder for Sidetrack Sunday, it'll be right here tonight on Humanity Junction at 8 p.m. I know I'm mostly known for my N-scale trains, but for tonight's episode, I'm going to show off my HO collection. So please join me right here tonight at 8 p.m. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.